We've got some antique blue and white Royal Doulton china to show you. This is the pattern called Egerton, manufactured by Royal Doulton in England between 1900 and around 1914. Classic Art Nouveau inspired design and transfer print in this classic blue and white with just the remnants of the gilt. Condition note on this piece, there is some fine glaze cracking along the surface of the upper aspect of the lid. Underside's very good. You see the sort of flow blue nature of the design that's been applied here by Royal Doulton. It's a very light piece of china, this. You can see the moulding details here, which would have been highlighted in gilt when it was new, but that's almost been lost. And then the classic sort of Art Nouveau styled floral inspired design all the way around. The lid's got an inset for a ladle, which has long been lost, unfortunately. The little sauce tureen itself in better condition, still remnants of the gilt. Little bit of glaze crazing along the base here with some staining. Just see that minor browning under the glaze. No way of getting rid of that. That is an age condition that's occurred. An almost indecipherable Royal Doulton Egerton mark on the base of this piece. Again with some linear marking here. Patterner's all right for the age in terms of the wear on the glaze and the browning there, but there is a little bit of staining around there. And the actual transfer design around the outer aspect hasn't been applied in a particularly careful manner. Almost looks as if it's smudged, to be honest with it, but it's got a characteristic blue and white flow bluey feel to it. Saucer plate's fared a little better as far as it's been conserved. Again, just the remnants of the gilt around the outer aspect, but the transfer design applied onto this little saucer plate, which is just, I think, under 9 inches, is far crisper and really does show the fine detailing that was on Egerton when it was new. Much better Royal Doulton crown, lion and orb mark there, as you can see on the base. This one in much better condition. Glaze on that one also as well. But as a little set, incredibly rare to find. Somewhere there will be dinner services out there in this, which people will be looking to extend or buy a piece just for display purposes. It is a classic Art Nouveau piece of stylized dinnerware. We've also got a large tureen in Egerton, and I think also a 3-piece platter set, which is going on listing over the next couple of days as we work our way around to it. Looking forward to doing the platter set. I always like when we've got the graduated platters. It really does give you something to get going with on a display if you're looking at a dresser set for display rather than everyday use. So there we have it, 1900 to 1914, Royal Doulton, very nicely conserved, but with some condition notes as we've outlined to you in this video. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link in the description below for you to find out all the measurements, pricings and availability of this set. Thanks for watching.